Hey, Toby Barnett, KW North Sound, and the Barnett Associates team for a good home maintenance minute. Maybe a little bit longer than a minute. But we've come off a recent windstorm and we've had a lot of rain. And if they're expecting the La Nina like they're talking about, we're going to have a pretty wet winter and our passes are going to get a lot of snow. But, anyways, back down here at sea level, take a moment to go up inside your attic and look around to see if there's any new issues, old issues that need to be addressed that could possibly just be taken care of by with a repair. And take that, get that going, because we're sitting in mid-November-ish right now, and we got a lot of winter ahead of us. So hop into the attic, take a look around, and see if there's any problem issues that need to be addressed. Now, if you've been tuning in, you've probably seen my watch the moss control videos. Well, those videos are now well old. Did the best we could with this roof. It had a repair right up over here when we first bought it in 17. So that repair finally gave it up, and we couldn't fix it anymore because we fixed it multiple times over the years. It was finally, it's at its end, and the rest of the shingles were at the end of its life. You know, it's a 2006 house, 20-year roof. Here we are. So as you can see, we're getting a new roof, and it's being done by Climb Roofing, one of my good friends, and a great company. They've worked, done our rentals, they've done my client's house, I referred them out, and they've done multiple of our homes over the years. So I'll put their link in the description, so check them out. But yeah, take advantage of you know, a little break in the weather to go up into your attic and see if there's something going on, because right now, you know, roofers and contractors, handyman are all going to be busy as we go through this time of year. So if you can get ahead of on their schedule sooner than later and address those things, you'll be better off through our long winter. So thanks for tuning in to this home maintenance minutes, and we'll see you on the next video, and have a great summer, or great winter.